Isn't it incredible to think about our planet's past? The Earth we know today is just the latest chapter in a story that stretches back hundreds of millions of years. When we look at the rocks beneath our feet or gaze at the stars above, it's hard not to wonder about the worlds that came before us. Long before people, Earth was ruled by giants, dinosaurs. These ancient creatures dominated the land, sky, and even the seas, shaping the world in ways we are still discovering today. These magnificent creatures came in all shapes and sizes, from the colossal Argentinosaurus, one of the largest animals to ever walk the earth, to the swift and cunning velociraptor. Some were gentle giants, while others were fierce predators. For many of us, our love for nature and science began with these prehistoric animals. Dinosaurs sparked curiosity in children and adults alike, connecting us to a time when the world was wild and mysterious. Dinosaurs capture our imagination, reminding us that Earth's history is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Their fossils are like time capsules, offering glimpses into a vanished world. Every year, paleontologists make new discoveries. Sometimes a single tooth, sometimes a nearly complete skeleton. Each find adds a new piece to the puzzle of life's history. Each find is a clue, helping us understand what these animals were really like, how they survived, and how they interacted with their environment. These discoveries bring a lost world back to life, inspiring new generations of scientists, explorers, and nature lovers to keep searching for answers. Today, we get to talk about a brand new addition to the dinosaur family tree, a creature that was a complete mystery until recently. Its discovery has changed what we thought we knew about the age of dinosaurs. This is the heart of paleontology, giving a name and story to an animal that hasn't walked the earth in over 66 million years. It's about piecing together the past, one fossil at a time. Get ready to travel back in time and meet a remarkable dinosaur with a very hard head. A creature whose story adds a whole new chapter to our understanding of the prehistoric world and reminds us that there is always more to discover. Let's meet the star of our show, Brontotholus harmoni, a fascinating dinosaur that has captured the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Its name means Thunder Dome, a perfect fit for a dinosaur with an incredibly thick dome-shaped skull, which likely served as a powerful tool for defense or combat. The second part, Harmony, honors the Montana family who discovered the fossil and reported it to paleontologists, showcasing the vital role that citizen scientists play in paleontology. Naming a species connects its scientific identity to the story of its discovery, a team effort between scientists and everyday people, bridging the gap between professional research and public interest. Brontotholus harmoni belongs to the Pachycephalosaurids, the famous bone-headed dinosaurs known for their distinctive skulls. You might know their cousin Pachycephalosaurus, the largest of the group, which has been a subject of fascination for many years. These bipedal herbivores peacefully munched on plants, and Brontotholus gives us another unique member of this family, adding to our understanding of their diversity. Picture the Thunderdome head, a powerful tool that set it apart from other dinosaurs, possibly used in headbutting contests or to fend off predators. This dinosaur isn't just a collection of bones, it's a story of science, discovery, and the people who help us piece together the past, revealing the intricate tapestry of life that once existed. Brontotholus is a brand new character on the prehistoric stage, offering fresh insights into the world of dinosaurs. We're just beginning to learn its secrets, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding the rich history of our planet. To understand Brontotholus harmoni, we need to visit its world, the late Cretaceous, about 68 million years ago. This was the dinosaur's final era, just before the asteroid impact that changed everything. The climate was warmer and more humid, with continents still drifting. Brontotholus lived in what's now the Hell Creek Formation, a fossil-rich area in Montana and nearby states. Imagine vast floodplains, winding rivers, and dense forests of conifers and ferns. Brontotholus shared this world, with icons like Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Edmontosaurus. Pterosaurs soared overhead, and the ecosystem was teeming with life. Brontotholus was part of a complex community, foraging for plants and watching for predators. Its existence was woven into a beautiful but brutal world. Understanding its environment helps us unlock the secrets of how it lived and survived. What did Brontotholus harmoni look like? Fossils reveal a medium-sized pachycephalosaur, about 10 to 12 feet long and as tall as an adult human at the hips. It walked on two strong legs, with a stiff tail for balance and short forelimbs. As an herbivore, it nipped at low-growing plants with its beak-like mouth. Its most spectacular feature, a thick, solid dome of bone atop its skull, up to 8 inches thick. Around the dome were small, bony knobs and spikes, possibly for display or recognition. Imagine a two-legged, plant-eating dinosaur the size of a large pony, with a crowned helmet for a head. Brontotholus gives us a fantastic new variation on the pachycephalosaur body plan. That 8-inch thick dome wasn't just for show. The internal structure suggests it was built to absorb powerful impacts, evidence for headbutting. Scientists believe Brontotholus may have engaged in dramatic contests, like modern bighorn sheep. Males could have faced off, displaying their domes, and if neither backed down, charged and collided with a thunderous crack. These contests likely established dominance or mating rights without serious injury. Another possibility: flank butting, ramming rivals' sides to drive them off. The dome also served as a visual signal, advertising strength and maturity to mates and rivals. The unique arrangement of knobs may have helped Brontotholus recognize its own kind. The Thunderdome was a weapon, shield and status symbol all in one. It was essential for the complex social lives of these fascinating dinosaurs. The remarkable discovery of Brontotholus harmoni began on a quiet Montana ranch in the summer of 2023, a place where the rolling fields seemed unchanged for generations. 16-year-old Caleb Harmoni, while helping with chores and checking a fence line, noticed some unusual bone fragments poking out of the earth, shapes and textures unlike anything he'd seen before. Excited and curious, he called his father over. Together, they carefully unearthed a thick, curved piece of bone. Realizing it might be something extraordinary, they decided to reach out to local paleontologists for help. Their responsible actions set the discovery in motion, ensuring the fossil would be properly studied and preserved for science. Dr. Evelyn Reed and her team from the Museum of the Rockies soon arrived to excavate the site. Over several weeks, they recovered more than 60% of the skull and significant parts of the skeleton, a rare and valuable find. In the lab, skilled technicians painstakingly prepared the fossils, using delicate tools to reveal every detail hidden in the ancient bone. Dr. Reed, alongside Dr. Kenji Tanaka, studied the skull's unique features. After months of careful analysis, they confirmed it was a new genus and species, never before seen by science. In October 2025, the team officially named the dinosaur Brontotholus harmoni, honoring the Harmoni family's keen eyes and quick thinking that led to this incredible find. This discovery highlights the importance of curiosity, teamwork, and scientific rigor. It also shows how anyone, even a teenager on a ranch, can make a difference in our understanding of the past. Brontotholus's journey from a quiet ranch to a world-class research facility changed what we know about dinosaur diversity and evolution. It's a story of science, discovery, and the thrill of uncovering the past, reminding us that history is still waiting to be found, just beneath our feet. Brontotholus harmoni is more than just another dinosaur. It's a key piece in understanding Pachycephalosaur evolution. Before this find, scientists knew about Pachycephalosaurus and smaller relatives, but there were gaps in the family tree. Brontotholus's unique skull, tall, thick, and rounded with subtle knobs, shows a third variation among its contemporaries. This suggests different species evolved distinct headgear for social signaling or combat, allowing them to coexist. The discovery also informs debates about growth. Brontotholus's subadult skull shows it wouldn't have grown into another known species. This strengthens the case for multiple distinct bone-headed dinosaurs in the Hell Creek Formation. The limb bones suggest Brontotholus was nimble and agile, helping us picture its life in a dynamic ecosystem. Every bone tells a story, and Brontotholus reveals a world more complex than we imagined. Its discovery reshapes our understanding of dinosaur diversity at the end of the Cretaceous. Brontotholus harmoni paints a richer picture of late Cretaceous biodiversity. The Hell Creek ecosystem was a complex web of life, not just a few famous dinosaurs. Multiple large herbivores, including different pachycephalosaurs, suggest abundant plant life and resource sharing. Like modern African savannas with many antelope species, these dinosaurs coexisted by specializing in different habitats or diets. Brontotholus may have foraged in dense forests, while larger relatives roamed open plains. This diversity supported a range of predators, from T-Rex to smaller raptors like Acroraptor. Brontotholus provided a crucial food source for these carnivores, shaping the entire food web. The discovery challenges the idea that dinosaur diversity was declining before the asteroid impact. Instead, new species were still evolving and thriving. The late Cretaceous was a world at its peak, cut short by catastrophe. Brontotholus is a testament to life's resilience and creativity. Why does Brontotholus harmony matter today? Every fossil is a message from the past, teaching us about our planet's history. Studying dinosaurs reveals the immense scale of time and the ever-changing nature of life on Earth. Brontotholus's story is a lesson in both resilience and fragility, thriving in a rich ecosystem, then wiped out in an instant. It reminds us that life, even at its peak, can be vulnerable to sudden change. The discovery began with a curious teenager and grew through teamwork and scientific dedication. It shows that anyone can contribute to our understanding of the world. Dinosaurs like Brontotholus connect us to the grand story of life, sparking imagination and inspiring care for the natural world. They are ambassadors from a lost world, reminding us of Earth's capacity for diversity and wonder. By studying them, we learn about evolution, ecology, and our own place in history. The journey of discovery is always worth taking.